Do you put your values into action every day? You see, it's not enough to just talk about what you believe in. You have to show it through your actions. This consistent effort ensures that your values become deeply ingrained in how your business operates, and here's what you can do. For example, if being honest is really important to you, you can create ways for everyone to share openly. This means making sure everyone feels okay talking about ideas or problems and that information gets shared freely. By making honesty part of how you do things every day, you're not just talking about it, you're actually doing it. Let's look at my coaching client's story. Let's just call her Feli. Feli's commitment to her family's recipes is a testament to her values. She believes in honoring her heritage and preserving the traditions passed down from her mother and her grandmother. And Feli makes sure that her restaurant reflects her beliefs by using these recipes. But Feli doesn't stop there. She knows living her values means doing things every day to make them part of her work. So for her, honesty is really important. And she makes sure that everyone feels okay sharing ideas and talking openly. Whether it's about new recipes or problems in the kitchen, Feli wants everyone to feel free to talk. And by making honesty a big deal in her restaurant, Feli isn't just saying she cares about it, she is showing it. And she knows that by being honest all the time, she's making her restaurant a better place for her staff. And it's not just that, it helps customers trust her as well. Because of Feli's commitment to her values, her business isn't just any restaurant. It's a special place where honesty and tradition make every meal feel like home.